Hello there, today I'm going to talk about another extension is called Twitter Urgent Pic. It's like when we upload in Twitter some kinds of pictures, like other people want to download it in an origin version, but sometimes like when we save it doesn't give the original size of it. So for this, what we do, like we installed Twitter Urgent Peak. I have already added it. Like this is the icon option you can see here. Like I'm going to Twitter here, and let's find some picture of her. Like wait up. Okay, this picture. Okay, now you can see I have already got the icon download origin. If I click in here, already has been downloaded. Okay, so let me show you where I have make a download. It's the download thing, and it's the origin size. Look, you can see how much as I put it down, like it's already have the clear image. Thank you. This is how it works. Easily you can download your origin pic by installing Twitter origin pic. Thank you.